Hey, did you know that the most popular social network is rolling out an online ordering platform that will be one of the fastest growing mobile audiences in 2018? If your store is not offering digital ordering, then you stand to lose thousands of dollars in revenue to that other store down the road. Consider what you're missing. Since 2015, 50% of diners have ordered food from a restaurant's website via their mobile phone or tablet. Digital ordering is growing 300% faster than dine-in traffic. And in 2018, online food ordering is set to surpass telephone orders to the tune of millions of dollars. By refusing to have an online ordering platform, you are basically ignoring these customers and forcing them to order from somebody else. Online ordering is more accurate than telephone, so you cut down on waste and loss. Plus, it drives more revenue, as a recent study found that digital orders are $4 higher than non-digital orders. You also gain valuable insights into your best customers, revealing what they order the most so you can tweak your business to drive even more sales. Now, I know you may have considered online ordering in the past and found the barriers to entry just a bit too tall. In-house systems are expensive and require constant maintenance. They also might require special hardware and even software that your customers need to download. Yet today, a new service has been introduced that solves all of these problems by using an app that the majority of your customers already have installed. This means your customers are just waiting for you to turn on this feature for your store. You could have online ordering in just a few days of setup and be taking orders as soon as next week. I've been setting up this system for local businesses in your area, and it is one of my hottest sellers because businesses such as yours know this is the new trend that is in hot demand. I could have your entire menu online and revenue coming in from your existing social media audience in just a matter of days, not weeks. Typically, in-house ordering systems can cost you up to $5,000 and demand hefty monthly membership fees. This doesn't even include the hardware and disruption it has in your business. However, since this system is built right into a popular social network, you don't need to change a thing about how your business is run. All I need is your menu and I can put it online and turn it on. You could see 50 to 100 new digital orders or more each and every month. If your average takeout order is around $30, this means you'll see an additional $3,000 in monthly revenue or more by giving your customers exactly what they're looking for. A quick and easy way to order online. All for one easy payment of just $500. Look below this video. Click the Enable Online Ordering button below to get started today. We'll have your menu online and ready to take orders on mobile devices and tablets in just a few days. Listen, your competition is offering this service. If you don't offer digital ordering, they will get the orders each month and you get nothing. In fact, you might even be helping to put his kids through college with the money you are losing. The money online ordering generates will help to buy inventory, pay bills, or just put a little extra money in your pocket, something I know you need. So look below this video now. Click on the Enable Online Ordering button now, and let's make 2018 the year you shatter your takeout or call ahead ordering records.